Well, 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 this might be the first time we are seeing an actual Galaxy S9 in the flesh and in the works, albeit an engineering sample of some sort, judging from the stickers on the back and front. We are actually not seeing anything that wasn't already revealed by the leaked official renders yesterday, and about the only features that can tell the design apart from the S8 are the horizontal fingerprint scanner below the camera lens, as well the slightly thinner bottom bezel, unless it's an optical illusion of sorts. The reason that this leak can be deemed credible is that it comes straight out of Vietnam, and the US models of the Galaxy S9 that were listed by the FCC are made in Samsung's factory there, so you might be seeing the next Verizon or T-Mobile flagship in these pics. Also, the body is smooth, glassy, and nothing like the alleged 3D models found in Samsung's unpacked AR app, which look suspiciously like dummy phones in various color schemes that are a dime a dozen on the Chinese web shops. What do you think? Do you like what you see if this turns out to be the Galaxy S9 indeed? One focus Samsung this year again on the camera and the speakers, because the company introduces on the back now at least the Samsung Galaxy S9 and SMG965, a dual camera unit. The company also sets the Galaxy S9 SMG960 on a variable aperture, so that the user can switch between an aperture of each f1.5 and f2.4. In this way, optimal images are possible in both extremely well-lit scenes and in low-light conditions. Add to that a slow-motion function, thanks to the new Samsung Galaxy S9 models videos with up to 960 image scan record per second. At least one full HD resolution should be possible, although the information we have is not yet confirmed. The Galaxy S9 and comes as mentioned a dual camera is used, which combines two 12-megapixel sensors. One of them uses the mentioned combination of two aperture settings, while the second sensor offers a f2.4 aperture. Both sensors feature an optical image stabilizer and each use a combination of laser and dual pixel autofocus to focus as quickly as possible. On the front each sits an 8-megapixel camera with f1.7 aperture, which, unlike most front cameras, comes with its own autofocus. The two new Samsung flagships each run on Android 8.0, based on the recently introduced Samsung Experience 9 sets, so the Surface strongly adapted and expanded with its own functions. As in the past, the new S9 models are IP68 certified and thus able to survive up to 30 minutes in a water depth of up to 1.5 meters. The customer probably has the choice between three color variants in Europe. In addition to the well-known Midnight Black and Coral Blue, So Black and Blue holds a variant in the color Lilac Purple collection for the first time. In other regions also appears a variant in the color Titanium Gray, as colleague Evan Blass made clear. So far, we cannot say much about the prices, but there are indications from Scandinavia, according to which the new models could be around €100 more expensive than before. Samsung will begin accepting pre-orders for the Galaxy S9 and Galaxy S9 Plus as early as February 25, 2018, the date of the official presentation of its two new top smartphones. Delivery of the new models will take place from March 8, 2018.